Creepy cracks and nuts. Okay, we have just arrived at Graceland, and we're at the visitor center, I guess the entrance to the visitor center for Graceland, and then the actual Graceland mansion is across the street. So we're just going to get some video and let you guys see what it's like coming to Graceland. Say hi to our YouTube fans. Say hello. Hello, YouTube. Alright, we're heading to Graceland. We're going to walk across the street, get a picture by the gates. A lot of traffic here.
Traffic?
Look, Elvis on the ground. You just walked on Elvis's face. We are in Graceland. We're in Graceland. Are you baby? It's our home of the king. Let's go get some barbecue.
I want barbecue.
What, Mama?
I want barbecue.
Walden? You want barbecue? Alright, so everybody wants barbecue. We're gonna go find us a barbecue place. You wanna eat barbecue here? Okay. Everybody's been so nice, taking some pictures for us.
Yes.
Here you go.
Are y'all from here?
Well, we are wanderers. All right, we are at Tops Barbecue in Memphis. We're gonna get us some barbecue maybe. We've been looking for a place, and this is Tops. Hello. Is it alright if I take some? Alright, alright. It's our first Memphis barbecue.
Oh, okay, where you from?
Well, we're wanderers, but we're Cincinnati, and then we just been in Kentucky. We're going to Louisiana, so I think we might try your sampler.
Okay. Well, it's the store right here. It's been here since 1952. I think it may have been the first one.
Wow.
And the barbecue sandwiches with the salami sauce are the best choice, or the sampler.
Alright.
Yeah, it's been here since 1952.
See, we document our travels on YouTube. So, you know, we try to get a little bit of everything in there. So everybody, we're at Tops. We're going to eat some delicious barbecue, and we can't wait. Wow, that is awesome. We picked the right place. All right.
French fries and hamburger.
No, barbecue.
Barbecue and French fries. French fries and barbecue.
Here it is. Everybody's ready. So, this is the sampler. Baked beans, coleslaw, and a variety of barbecue. Now, these are the sauces. We got hot sauce and mild sauce right here. I'm going to eat, so I'm going to get off here. Alright, this is the hot sauce. Alright, let's try this out. That's so good.
Breathe.
That's delicious. Alright, let me try this coleslaw. She said the coleslaw was really good. That's very good. Alright, we just finished at Tops, Memphis, Tennessee. Now we can see why it's been in business so long. Barbecue was awesome. I'm stuffed. Let's see, everybody's still working on it. How was the barbecue, boy? Good? How about you, Colleen? Alright, so if you're ever in Memphis, Tennessee, stop in by Tops, have some barbecue.